morning. I'm trying to bake a peanut butter pie today for Katie's 22nd birthday. Normally we'd go out, but that's not really an option. My favorite peanut butter pie comes from Hobo's Restaurant in North Muskegon, and I know this one's not going to quite match that quality, but we'll see how close we can come. For the crust, I'm going to actually make a graham cracker crust. It requires a fourth a cup of sugar, a third of a cup of butter that I'm going to melt in the microwave, and then about 18 graham crackers to make 1 1/4 cups of graham crackers. Okay, I've got a fourth a cup of sugar measured in here. I've melted my butter, and I've already crushed up 1 whole package of graham crackers, and I've got a few left to make up my fourth a cup. And I just use a plastic bag and a rolling pin. And pull them out, shake them around, and keep rolling until there's no large crumbs left in there. My pie crust has been in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Now I'm going to make the peanut butter filling. For the peanut butter filling, I need a cup of heavy whipping cream, a teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and in my mixing bowl to start with, I have a brick of cream cheese and a cup and a fourth of creamy peanut butter.
Yeehaw!
This came together pretty quickly, but as I'm scraping the bowl down, you can see there's still some cream cheese that's not incorporated into the mixture. So I'm going to scrape my bowl really good and put it back on the mixer for just a few seconds. Once the peanut butter and cream cheese mixture is well combined, you're going to beat in the powdered sugar and the vanilla until smooth. Here's the peanut butter mixture, and I'm kind of fortunate. I have 2 mixing bowls for my mixer. Again, you could do this with a handheld mixer. It would just take a little bit longer. In my bowl, I'm going to pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. And you want your bowl to be cold. You want your cream to be cold so it beats more rapidly. And I'm going to add my whisk to my mixer and beat this until it forms stiff peaks. If you beat it too long, guess what you end up with? I pull these up. If you look closely, if I pull up on the batter, the peaks stay, they don't fall over. You need to fold in the whipped cream into the peanut butter mixture. You'll gently lift from the bottom of the pan with a rubber scraper until the mixture is evenly combined. Once it's even in color, you'll fill your pie crust and place in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours. I've just started the chocolate whipped cream, and I've whipped another cup of cream to stiff peaks. To that mixture, I've added 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to combine that together, and then I'm going to decorate the cake, or the pie. Okay. I'm going to kind of blend these together.
Projection, but there is no such thing as an optimistic projection on death. One person is too many. Our experts say the curve has flattened and the peak
Okay, on the top of this is the chocolate whipped cream. I've never made that before, and of course I've already tasted it, and I actually liked it. I've also got melted chocolate, dark chocolate, and vanilla wafers mixed with peanut butter. And then I'm going to crush up some Reese's Pieces and some Reese's Cups and top the whipped cream with those. We'll come back for a final picture.